Good morning, this is Tim Blanchett with Divorce661.com. Today we are talking about how to prepare the divorce judgment in California, and specifically this is going to be in regards to how, what order they need to go in. I've seen a lot of clients having trouble with filing their divorce judgment, and half of it is doing the wrong forms and the wrong check boxes and all of that. But the folks that get that part right are not getting the order correct and not collating the divorce judgment package correctly and not attaching the right forms to the documents that need to be enclosed in the divorce. So I'm going to go over that, and this is going to be about the order that you need to essentially staple your documents together. So if you've had your divorce case rejected and it says it wasn't in the right order, or it says the FL 180 was not the top form, or you're getting ready to submit your judgment, this is the video for you to see if you have this in the right order. So what I want you to do is take out your FL 180. The FL 180 on the second page is going to discuss several areas: children, parentage, child support, spousal support, property division, and attorney's fees and costs. These are items J through N on page 2 of the FL 180, the judgment form, which is essentially the cover sheet for your judgment. So what you're going to do is you're going to use that as your guide for the order you're going to submit your judgment. So let's assume you have all of these that apply to you. You have child custody and visitation, which is on line J. You have child support on K. You have spousal support on L, and property division on M. So that's going to be the order that you submit these. So let's talk specifically about the order. So let's say you have child custody. So the first thing you're going to have in there is that it's not on this form, but it's the FL 190. It's regarding the children. It's kind of a notice regarding responsibility for children, so don't forget that form. The next thing you'll have in there will be your child custody and visitation attachment. That's going to be the FL 341. That'll be your first attachment. Then behind that, you're going to have your child support order, the FL 342. Behind that, you're going to have spousal support. That's the FL 343. And then behind that, you'll have property division, which is FL 345. None of the other forms, well, let me get back up. So that's what's going to consist of your actual judgment package. So you have the judgment, you have all the attachments behind it, and that's going to be its own attachment. You're going to staple that together. Everything else that's part of the judgment package is going to be submitted individually. They're not going to be attached to this package with the judgment FL 180 on top. You're going to have, if it's a default case or hybrid case, you're going to have a request to enter default. You're going to have a notice of entry of judgment. You're going to have a stipulation waiver, a final declaration of disclosure, and you're going to have the declaration for default and uncontested dissolution or legal separation. All of these will be submitted with the package, but individually. So each of these will be stapled with 3 copies of everything behind them. This one, all of these will be separate from the actual judgment package. So if you got it rejected, it's probably because you had all of this stapled together and the court didn't want to take the time to unstaple it and put it in the correct order. So just keep that in mind. We'll be talking a lot about the judgment packages. We're seeing a lot of clients get these rejected, people that are doing this on their own. So we're going to try and cover all the items of rejection that are covered on the 3-page rejection sheet that the LA County courts have. And you'll find that even if you're anywhere in California, that you're going to find a lot of these rejections to be very similar wherever you're at in California. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about submitting your judgment, or you're looking for a service to help you prepare your judgment or any part of your divorce case, please give me a call. My name is Tim Blankenship. You can reach me direct at 661-281-0266. And of course, you can always get more information off our website at Divorce661.com. Thanks for watching.